Hey everyone, this is Simply Makeup. My name is V if you're new here. Today, it's another eyeshadow look. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but if you have your palette, take it out. It doesn't matter which palette. Today I am playing with the Culture by Juvias Place. So if you have any palette, it doesn't matter. A palette with 2 shades in it, you can use it. A palette with 4 shades, you can use it. Let us just play and have some fun and enjoy this day. Okay, so let's play. Play with me. Let's have fun. So many colors are talking to me, so I'm gonna hone it down to at least 1 or 2. I have very hooded eyes, and when they're not puffy, they are folded like this. You see, today I have 2 folds. I have this and this. So no matter what shape eyes you have, and whether you have puffy, no puffy eyes, take your palettes out and have some fun. We buy them because we like to see the colors in there, but we should also use them to have a little bit of fun. I don't know, I have not tried any of these colors and I haven't tested them to see what they look like, so whatever they look like, that's what it is today. Okay, this color is not showing that much at all. Maybe I should have used, I'll have to use my little white pencil because this color is not showing up much at all. Today's quote is by Charles Kingsley. It says, "We act as though comfort and luxury were the chief requirements of life, when all we need to make us really happy is something to be enthusiastic about." Take a deep breath on this one. I am taking a deep breath on this one. We act as though comfort and luxury were the chief requirements of life, when all we need to make us really happy is something to be enthusiastic about. Charles Kingsley, that's his quote. This is today's look. I use the Culture Palette by Juvias Place. The colors. Every time I open this palette, I am excited. I use how many colors today? These are the colors I use today. This is it. But these are the colors I use. I opened the palette, there was so many colors talking to me. It was hard to make a decision, so I used most of them. This is everything. I am loving the look. I am rocking the look. I'm having fun with the look. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I Simply Makeup will see you soon in another video. Go ahead and live your life. Live it to the fullest, 1 minute at a time. That's all we can do. And every minute we are thankful for being right here on this green earth. I gotta go cook, so I am saying bye. See you soon. I'll see you soon.